How to spoof your location with 3uTools. Using 3uTools for iOS devices. First, connect your iPhone to a computer via USB and go to the Toolbox tab. Select Virtual Location to access the map interface. You can search for an address, enter coordinates, or drag the pin to your desired spot. Click Modify to apply the fake GPS. Follow simple prompts to activate developer options. 3uTools has limitations, it only works on iOS devices, no Android support. Apps like Pokémon GO often detect and block its spoofed locations, showing errors. Frequent connection issues or failed modifications may occur. Trust the device when prompted. A better solution, MagFone Location Changer. Follow simple prompts to activate developer options, takes 10 seconds. For Android and iPhone users who want reliable spoofing in apps like Pokémon GO, MagFone Location Changer is the ultimate tool. Unlike 3uTools, it bypasses anti-cheat systems and offers joystick controls for natural movement. Log into the game, and MagFone's map will appear. Choose any location and click Start Modifying. Your in-game position updates instantly, no errors. Click the joystick icon to control walking speed/direction, perfect for hunting rare Pokémon. Still prefer 3uTools? Watch our 3uTools Fixes video to resolve common errors.